After 2 years of lucid dreaming, I've tested just about everything you can imagine. These are the 7 coolest things that you can do inside a lucid dream. Number 1, flying. Everyone talks about flying and lucid dreams, but no one tells you what it actually feels like. Remember, lucid dreams are just as vivid as real life, so you're not just in the air, you can feel everything. You can feel the wind hitting your face, the drop in your stomach as you lift off, the pressure of the air rising off your arms. It's everything you imagine, but 10 times better. Number 2, walk through a mirror. This one's trippy. Just find a mirror in your dream and just walk into it. Most of the time, you'll end up in a completely different world. Your subconscious creates a new space based on your thoughts, emotions, or memories. In lucid dreams, you usually have to consciously think about what you want. Mirrors are like mystery boxes. They give you random situations that you didn't even think of. Number 3, talk to a dream character. Pick any person in your dream and ask them a question. What happens next might shock you. They act very human. When I first started lucid dreaming, I wanted to improve my social skills, so I used to practice talking to girls. What blew me away was that these characters were more than just NPCs. They felt so real. This is easily one of the most fascinating aspects of lucid dreaming because it just shows how powerful the subconscious really is. Dream characters are a reflection of your subconscious, and talking to them can lead to massive insight. Number 4, teleport somewhere you've never been. You can explore anything you want. Just ask your subconscious to take you somewhere beautiful. The dream will adapt, and the environments are often more vivid than real life. What I would do was look up a really beautiful place online and really ingrain how it looks into my head. And when I go lucid, I would ask it to take me there. This is probably my favourite thing to do in lucid dreams. It's so addicting and never gets old. Number 5, face a fear. If you've got trauma, fears, or phobias, lucid dreaming gives you a safe space to face them on your terms. Ask your subconscious to show you your fears, or put yourself in a situation with a specific fear. You'll often see symbolic imagery or encounter people from your past. Instead of running, you get to interact. The emotional weight you can release from this is real and carries over to real life. Number 6, practice a real life skill. Your brain doesn't fully know the difference between doing something in real life and dreaming about doing it, which means you can practice things in dreams and get real-world results. And yes, this is scientifically proven. Like I mentioned earlier, this was the reason I first started lucid dreaming, and it's one of the more underrated aspects of it. Number 7, ask to see the truth. One of the most interesting things you can do is ask questions directly to your subconscious. This experience often feels deeply personal. I usually end up in strange locations or talking to characters that give unexpectedly insightful answers. What you see usually reflects your current mindset. It's not about getting some cosmic secret. It's about letting your mind surface things that matter to you in a raw, visual, and emotionally impactful way. And finally, having sex. Yes, this is a real thing. Most people think lucid dreaming's just about flying around or living out fantasies. And yeah, it's that too. But once you realise it's a way to train your subconscious, explore hidden parts of your mind, and literally reshape how you think and feel, that's when it becomes a superpower.